The Boiler Room has been a staple in Kinston for more than 8 years. Owner Vivian Howard says it will not reopen although coronavirus restrictions are easing.
Well, we had to close because of COVID. And, my hope is to reopen a restaurant here that really has a chance to survive. I don't feel like in this climate that we will be able to operate 2 restaurants across the road from each other in such a small town.
Howard's other restaurant in Kinston is Chef and the Farmer across the street from the Boiler Room. She says Chef and the Farmer has more room for growth.
We have an upstairs that is perfect for private events, and we have a large dining room.
Howard tells Not On Your Side Chef and the Farmer will soon reopen with customer favorites.
And the new iteration of Chef and the Farmer is going to represent the best of what we did at the Boiler Room. So we'll have burgers, we'll have fries, we'll have oyster roosters, we'll have our famous broccoli and cheese, but we'll also have a lot more.
But that reopening will take time.
I'm fairly certain that we will not reopen this summer. I don't want to, nor do I think we can survive reopening with half capacity.
As for the Boiler Room, it may be done, but it will hold good memories from its past.
The Boiler Room has been described as, the Cheers of Kinston. Neighborhood restaurant, bar, everybody knows your name, and it's been, something that I think a lot of people in Lenore County and beyond have really enjoyed.
In Kinston, Cameron Brewer, Now On Your Side.